First of all, guys, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 35 videos and has already gained 23.9 thousand subscribers. We talk about its estimated earnings. It is making around 13.5 thousand US dollars per month. That's absolutely incredible. Looking at its most popular uploads, you'll notice that the channel focuses on long-form 3D animated cartoon story videos, and those videos are still consistently getting thousands of views. Since these are long-form videos, they generally have a much higher RP. Now let me show you another example. This channel is called Daily Grace English. It has uploaded only 37 videos and has already reached 58.1 thousand subscribers. According to estimates, it is currently earning around 3.1 thousand US dollars per month. One of its videos, which is about 37 minutes long, has already crossed 1 million views. Just imagine how much revenue a single video like that could generate. This clearly shows the earning potential of creating high-quality 3D animated cartoon story videos. First of all, look at this video.
Look at you two, so excited.
We are so proud of... Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
It smells delicious, Emma. Thank you.
I am so hungry. Can I have 3 pancakes?
Yes, Henry, but please sit properly.
Look at my dress. It is pink and pretty. Huh?
Henry, please focus on your math work.
I am sorry. Math is hard.
Do not worry. We can try again together.
That's it.
In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful AI tools that can help you create these types of videos with ease. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because you don't want to miss any of the important steps. Before we begin, I have prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything you need, from complete character details and story structure, to image prompts, video prompts, voiceover instructions, camera angles, sound effects, visual style, scene transitions, and even a satisfying happy ending. Everything is already organized for you, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. Simply use the master prompt and you're ready to go. Now, without wasting any more time, let's move on to today's AI tool. The tool is called MagicLight AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Before we get started, I have something exciting to share with you. MagicLight is hosting an amazing giveaway exclusively for my viewers. 2 lucky winners will each receive 20,000 MagicLight credits, along with 1 month of MagicLight Pro for free. Simply click the exclusive link in the description and sign up through that link. Only users who register using my link will be eligible for the giveaway. Once you open the website, sign into your account, and you'll immediately see its clean and professional dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll find a variety of AI video creation options, including story-to-video, kids story video, interview video, short drama video, music video agent, and many more. On the left-hand side, you'll also find sections such as My Creations, Assets Store, and even an Earnings tab, which I'll talk about later in this video. You can also browse videos that have already been created by other users directly from the homepage. For this tutorial, click on Short Drama Video, then select Create. After a few seconds, a professional editing interface will appear. Now simply open the master prompt that I've provided, copy it, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, configure your project settings. Under Visual Style, choose 3D Cartoon Animation, because that's the style we're creating today. After that, select your preferred AI model. You'll see options like Gemini, Claude AI, and GPT 5.6, but for this tutorial, I'll be using GPT 5.6. Set the language to English, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, and if you'd like, you can also change the voiceover to any voice you prefer. For the duration, I recommend leaving it on auto, since the AI will automatically match the length of your prompt. However, if you want a longer video, you can manually set it to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or any duration you like. Once everything is ready, click Next. MagicLight AI will immediately begin analyzing your story. Within a few moments, it will automatically generate the complete voiceover script, subtitles, and break your story into individual scenes. In this example, the AI created 36 storyboard shots, resulting in a video that is approximately 3 minutes long. Click Next once again, and the AI will start generating your characters. It automatically creates consistent characters based on your story, including male and female characters of different ages. If you prefer, you can also upload your own custom characters or add additional ones manually. MagicLight AI gives you complete creative control. After your characters are ready, click Next to move to the storyboard section. Here, the AI immediately starts generating images for every scene. One of the biggest advantages of MagicLight AI is its speed. Within just a few minutes, it can generate an entire story with beautifully illustrated scenes while keeping every character visually consistent throughout the video. As each image is generated, you'll notice that the same characters appear consistently in every scene. If you're not satisfied with a particular image, you can easily regenerate it, edit the clothing, adjust facial expressions, or make any other visual changes with just a few clicks. Once all of your images have been generated, it's time for the animation stage. You'll see two options, Animate One and Animate All. Simply click Animate All, and MagicLight AI will automatically animate every scene one by one, turning your storyboard into a complete cinematic video. For this tutorial, I'm using the C-Dance 1.5 Pro model, which can generate both high-quality animation and synchronized audio, making the final result look even more professional. As you can see, the video generation process has now started. Within just a few minutes, all of the animated clips will be ready. One by one, MagicLight AI generates each scene with impressive quality and smooth animations. In this example, the AI creates a total of 36 animated video clips, all while maintaining consistent characters and visual style throughout the entire story. If there's anything you'd like to change, you can easily edit individual scenes, regenerate specific clips, or make any adjustments before moving forward. And here is the final result. As you can see, MagicLight AI has done an excellent job generating a professional-looking animated story video. Once your video is complete, simply click Next to continue to the subtitle settings. Here, you can customize your subtitles by changing the font style, colors, size, and overall appearance. Choose the subtitle style that best matches your content and brand. Next, you'll be taken to the background music section, where you can select any music track that fits the mood of your story. After choosing your preferred background music, click Next again to proceed to the export settings. In the export settings, simply choose your preferred aspect ratio if needed, set the resolution to 1080p for the best video quality, and then click Generate. MagicLight AI will begin rendering your final video, and within a short time, your completed project will be ready. And here it is, the finished result. You can preview the entire video before downloading it. In this example, the AI generated a polished animated story that's over 2 minutes long.
We are so proud of... Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
It smells delicious, Emma. Thank you.
If you're happy with the final output, simply click the download button to save the video directly to your device. But don't leave just yet, because there's one more exciting feature I want to show you. Go back to the MagicLight AI homepage, and on the left-hand side, you'll find the Earnings section. This feature gives creators an opportunity to earn directly through the platform. If you scroll down, you'll see the monthly creator earnings leaderboard, where many creators have already earned thousands of dollars by publishing content through MagicLight AI. Getting started is simple. Just click Join Now, then select Start Creating. From there, create your characters, generate your story videos, and publish your content according to the platform's guidelines. As your content grows, you'll have the opportunity to earn rewards directly from MagicLight AI. This is a great opportunity because you're not only creating high-quality AI videos for YouTube and other social media platforms, but you can also generate additional income directly through the platform itself. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing. MagicLight AI offers 5 different plans: Standard, Plus, Pro, Ultra, and Ultimate. You can choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. With any of these plans, you'll be able to generate AI images, create complete story videos, produce professional animated content, and access all of the platform's powerful creative features. You'll find the official MagicLight AI link in the description below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.
morning, everyone.
If you enjoyed today's
Breakfast
video
is
and
ready.
learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for
Yes,
watching,
Henry.
and I'll see you in the next video.
Sit